Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the basics of search engine optimization, SEO. If you want to improve your website's visibility on Google and attract more traffic, understanding SEO is essential. Let's break it down. 1. What is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website to rank higher on search engines like Google. Better rankings mean more organic traffic and potential customers. 2. Keyword research. Start by finding the right keywords your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest to identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords that match your content. 3. On-page SEO. Optimize your content with best practices like placing your main keyword in the title, headers, and throughout the content naturally. Using short, clear URLs, e.g., yoursite.com/SEO basics instead of yoursite.com/P1234. Adding meta descriptions that summarize your page with relevant keywords, using internal links to connect related content and improve navigation. 4. Technical SEO. Ensure your website loads fast, is mobile-friendly, and has an SSL certificate, HTTPS for security. Also, create an XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console for better indexing. 5. Off-page SEO, backlinks and authority. Backlinks, links from other reputable sites, help boost your rankings. You can earn backlinks by writing guest posts on industry blogs, creating high-quality, shareable content that naturally attracts links, reaching out to websites for link-building opportunities. Number 6. Content is king. Publishing valuable, original, and engaging content regularly keeps your site relevant. Focus on solving user problems, answering questions, and providing unique insights. 7. Track and improve with analytics. Use Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your website's traffic, keyword rankings, and user behavior. Adjust your SEO strategy based on what's working best. By mastering these SEO basics, you'll improve your site's rankings and attract more visitors over time. What's your biggest challenge with SEO? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. See you in the next one.